Welcome back to Rich Brother Kai's YouTube channel. Today we will be exploring the beautiful language of Swahili and learning how to count from 1 to 10. First, let's meet our Rich Brother Kai, who will be helping us learn Swahili today. Kai is from Tanzania, East Africa, where Swahili is commonly spoken.
Jambo, that means hello in Swahili. Are you ready to learn how to count in Swahili? First, let's start with the number 1. In Swahili, 1 is moja. Can you say that with me? Now let's move on to 2. In Swahili, 2 is mbili. Can you say that with me? Next, we have 3. In Swahili, 3 is tatu. Can you say that with me? Moving on to 4. In Swahili, 4 is none. Can you say that with me? Now let's learn 5. In Swahili, 5 is tano. Can you say that with me? Now let's learn 5. Halfway there. Let's move on to 6. In Swahili, 6 is sita. Can you say that with me? Next up, we have 7. In Swahili, 7 is saba. Can you say that with me? Moving on to 8. In Swahili, 8 is 9. Can you say that with me? Now we have 9. In Swahili, 9 is tisa. Can you say that with me? Last but not least, we have 10. In Swahili, 10 is kumi. Can you say that with me?
Great job. You've learned how to count from 1 to 10 in Swahili. Kai, can you tell us more about the Swahili language and where it is commonly spoken?
Sure. Swahili is a Bantu language that is spoken in many African countries, including Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. It is also used as a lingua franca in some parts of East Africa.
Umefanya vizuri sana katika masomo yako, which means you have done very well in your studies. Tutaonana baadaye.
Overall, learning Swahili is a fun and exciting way to explore African culture and connect with people from different parts of the world. We hope you enjoyed this lesson and stay tuned for more exciting educational videos from Rich Brother Kai's Afrocentric YouTube channel. Tutaonana baadaye. Today we have a special assignment for you that involves both learning and fun. We want you to create a video or a poster that showcases something you've learned from our channel. It can be anything related to African culture, history, language, or science. Be creative and have fun with it. Parents, we encourage you to get involved and help your child with this assignment. You can even create a joint project with your child and showcase what you've both learned. Once you've created your video or poster, send it to us at richbrotherkai@gmail.com with the subject line Afrocentric. We'll be selecting submissions at random to receive special giveaway packages that include some of our favorite Afrocentric books, games, and other educational materials, as well as t-shirts and other prizes. We can't wait to see what you come up with, and we're excited to continue learning together. As always, thank you for being a part of the Rich Brothers community.